here. 18th floor, room 266. All right.
All right. That was a heavy door. Secure.
Lovely. Welcome.
Clunk.
Here is the room. Shall we start with the bathroom? Because it's the first one. Hi, that's me. Ooh, that's nice. They don't have a rain shower. Oh, they do. Up there.
Ooh, wow. Ooh, that's a
Yes.
shower built for two.
And us again.
Or more. If you have a lot of close friends.
Oh, sorry. Toilet.
Little private
Toilet.
commode. See off.
Snacks and mini
To
fridge
consume
items.
at your own risk.
But of course, they will charge you. I think this is
That
one
was
of
good.
those things, if you lift it up, there's a sensor on it and it will automatically charge your room.
No
So
touch.
no touchy, unless you want to pay for it, or if you're really thirsty.
Desperation.
Here is
Desperate times.
the room, very lovely,
Beautiful. Very nice.
with TV.
A huge TV. Ginormous.
Let's look at the view outside.
Seating. You can have a nice little coffee or something here. And it's supposed to be a strip view. What is the view of? Oh, yeah,
Oh,
there's the
look at
strip.
the pool.
Oh, and the pool view too.
Well, that's cool.
This is a nice, very nice view here.
All right. That's the pool, and let's see. That's the fashion mall with the disc-looking thing.
Right. Right behind that is you get a Treasure Island, and then the Mirage, and yeah, all of our favorites.
Such a good view.
Palazzo. That must
There's
be the
another
Venetian.
pool. They have like 3 pools.
They have a lot of pools. Big pools too. So you can see there's a lot of people out there,
There's
but it
another
doesn't
one
look
down
crowded
there.
because there's so much room. And it's not the middle of the day. It's people are probably going out to dinner now.
Probably. It's probably going to get crowded later.
Yeah, in the evenings.
Well, I think I read they close at 10.
Restaurant and sushi bar.
Let me get a view of that.
The board.
The board.
The board, the side of the building that is a board.
Yes. Well, that's
Yeah.
cool.
There you go, some Malibu.
Swords World.
Resorts World, you said. Yeah. First time here too. We've never been here before. And so checking it off the list.
Check.
Check it. So there's first.
All right. Here again is the bar that they have with snacks, and you have 30 seconds to make your selection. And well, I guess no. Once the items are removed from the tray for longer than 30 seconds, that's when your room will be charged. And then of course they add a $25 restocking fee on top of the price of the item. And they also have beverages
Of all
in
kinds.
case you get a little thirsty.
Adult and non-adult. Red Bulls for the
Yes. Right, so that's that. And
But if you don't want to pay all that money,
yes, they also have a side fridge right here. Sorry, I'll show you. So right here.
for personal. Ta-da.
And we brought our own juices, our fun drinks. Okay, tell them what's in it.
For the mornings, celery juice. So it's celery, cucumber, parsley, and cilantro. Gets the morning off to a good start. And then we also have the little orange one you saw in there is ginger shots. And that's just ginger, carrots, and an orange. But really good for the immune system, important when traveling.
Yes, and we brought our own snacks. Bananas and apples and seed mixture here, which is, I think, watermelon seeds and pumpkin seeds. Is there anything else in
There
here?
you go. No, that's it. Salt. A little bit of sea salt.
All right, and once
Those are the
again,
room snacks.
here is the room. And I did also want to show that there's a safe in here. inside. One thing they don't have is a coffee maker
That we have seen.
that we have seen. Maybe it's hidden somewhere. Sorry, this is a prolonged room tour. Sorry, I didn't show you guys this closet, which is just your standard closet. There are robes, an ironing board, and the iron, and of course to put your luggage. All right, that's the room tour again. All right,
Dinner time.
Dinner time. See you guys later.
Little Liberace action. Just walk around like that. What a distance. What's in the distance? We'll find out. Where do you want to go?
Barbecue, sushi.
Oh, that's a Korean barbecue. I saw that on the map.